How to add text effects in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and go to the edit page. Move the playhead to the point where you want the text to appear in your timeline. Then, on the top left side, click the Effects tab and open the title section. Now, drag any title like text or text plus to the timeline just above your video clip. Once it's added, select the text layer and head over to the inspector panel on the top right. This is where you can type in your custom text, change the font, adjust the size, and reposition it as needed. After setting your basic text, go to Settings section to find animation controls like zoom, rotation angle, and opacity. You can add simple keyframes here to create a smooth animation. For example, increase the zoom at the start and then bring it back to normal for a zoom in effect, or rotate the text slightly to make it more dynamic. You can also apply drop shadows, outlines, and background elements using the additional options in the inspector. These make your text stand out better, especially over busy video backgrounds. Finally, adjust the timing by trimming the text clip in the timeline to match exactly how long you want it to appear. And that's it. Now you know how to add text effects in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.